The Internet and the World Wide Web. Objectives. 1. Discuss how the Internet evolved and what it is like today. 2. Identify the various types of individuals, companies, and organizations involved in the Internet community and explain their purposes. 3. Describe device and connection options for connecting to the Internet, as well as some considerations to keep in mind when selecting an ISP. 4. Explain how to search effectively for information on the Internet and how to cite Internet resources properly. 5. List several ways to communicate over the Internet, in addition to email. 6. List several useful activities that can be performed via the web. 7. Discuss censorship and privacy and how they are related to Internet use. Internet history. 1. Early beginnings, 1960s–1980s. The Internet's roots can be traced back to the 1960s when the U.S. The Department of Defense initiated ARPANET, a research project to create a robust, decentralized communication network. During the 1970s and 1980s, protocols like TCP/IP were developed, which formed the basis for the modern Internet. This laid the foundation for the interconnectedness of computers. 2. Emergence of the World Wide Web, 1990s. The 1990s saw a crucial turning point with the invention of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee. This introduced the concept of web pages, URLs, and browsers, making the Internet accessible to the general public. Commercialization and the proliferation of Internet service providers, ISPs, made the Internet accessible to households. 3. Dot-com bubble, late 1990s. The late 1990s brought the dot-com bubble, characterized by an explosion of Internet-based companies and investments. While many companies went bankrupt during this period, it marked the rapid expansion of online services and the beginning of e-commerce. 4. Broadband and mobile Internet, 2000s. The 2000s saw the widespread adoption of broadband connections, offering faster and more reliable Internet access. Additionally, the emergence of mobile Internet brought the web to smartphones, further increasing connectivity and changing how people access information. 5. Social media and Web 2.0, the 2000s to 2010s. The rise of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube transformed the Internet into a dynamic, interactive space. This era is often referred to as Web 2.0, emphasizing user-generated content, social networking, and collaboration. 6. Cloud computing, 2010s. Cloud computing services such as Amazon Web Services, Oz, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud have become integral to the Internet ecosystem. They enable scalable storage, computing, and the hosting of web applications, reducing the need for local infrastructure. 7. IoT and the Internet of Everything, 2010s to 2020s. The Internet has expanded beyond computers and smartphones to include a vast array of interconnected devices in the Internet of Things, IoT. This includes smart appliances, wearable devices, and more, enhancing convenience and automation. 8. Streaming and online entertainment, 2010s present. Streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube have revolutionized how we consume media and entertainment. High-speed Internet connections have made it possible to stream high-quality video and audio content. 9. E-commerce dominance, 2020s present. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the growth of e-commerce, with more people shopping online for goods and services. E-commerce giants like Amazon have become even more influential. 10. Privacy and security concerns. As the Internet has grown, concerns about online privacy and security have increased. Issues such as data breaches, cyber attacks, and debates over data privacy regulations continue to shape the Internet landscape. 11. Global connectivity and digital divide. The Internet today has a global reach, connecting people from all corners of the world. However, the digital divide remains a significant issue, with disparities in access and digital literacy persisting. 12. Emerging technologies. Technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain are poised to further transform the Internet. These innovations promise faster connectivity, enhanced user experiences, and new possibilities for applications. In summary, the Internet has evolved from a research project into a ubiquitous and indispensable part of modern life. It has facilitated communication, commerce, entertainment, and innovation on an unprecedented scale. While it has brought about numerous benefits, it also presents challenges related to privacy, security, and access that will continue to be addressed as it evolves further. Internet key stakeholders. Individuals. Users. These are the people who access the Internet for various purposes, including communication, information retrieval, entertainment, and online shopping. Users are the backbone of the Internet community, driving its growth and evolution. Companies and organizations. Internet service providers, ISPs. ISPs provide access to the Internet for individuals and businesses. They connect users to the Internet through various technologies, such as broadband, DSL, cable, and mobile networks. ISPs ensure data transmission and availability. Content providers. These entities create and publish content on the Internet. This category includes news websites, bloggers, video creators, and social media platforms. Content providers aim to inform, entertain, or engage users. E-commerce companies. Businesses like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba operate online marketplaces where users can buy and sell products and services. Their purpose is to facilitate online transactions and commerce. Tech companies. Technology giants like Google, Facebook, now Meta, Apple, Microsoft, and others develop and offer various Internet-related products and services. Their purposes range from search and social networking to software development and cloud computing. Online entertainment services. Companies like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube offer streaming services for movies, music, and video content. Their purpose is to provide entertainment and media consumption options online. Domain registrars. Companies like GoDaddy and Namecheap provide domain registration services, allowing individuals and businesses to purchase and manage domain names for websites. Web hosting providers. These companies, including Bluehost and HostGator, offer hosting services to store and serve website content on the Internet. Cloud service providers. AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud provide cloud computing infrastructure and services for businesses and developers to host applications, store data, and scale their operations. Online payment processors. Services like PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Cybersecurity firms. These companies specialize in providing cybersecurity solutions to protect individuals, businesses, and organizations from online threats, such as malware, hacking, and data breaches. Online communities. Internet communities like Reddit, Stack Exchange, and various forums offer platforms for users to discuss topics of interest, seek help, and share knowledge. 3. Government and regulatory bodies. Government agencies. National and regional governments often regulate and oversee aspects of the Internet, including telecommunications infrastructure, data privacy, and cybersecurity. Regulatory authorities. Regulatory bodies, such as the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, in the United States, establish rules and regulations governing telecommunications and Internet service providers. International organizations. Entities like the United Nations and its agencies play a role in shaping global Internet policies and standards. 4. Non-government organizations, GO, and advocacy groups. Digital rights and privacy advocates. Organizations like the Electronic Frontier Foundation, (EF), and the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, focus on protecting individuals' digital rights and online privacy. Internet governance and standards groups. Bodies like the Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF, and the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, help establish and maintain technical standards and protocols for the Internet. Access and inclusion advocates. NGOs work to bridge the digital divide, promoting equal access to the Internet for all individuals, regardless of location or socioeconomic status. Each of these stakeholders plays a vital role in shaping the Internet community, influencing its development, and ensuring that it continues to serve as a global platform for communication, information sharing, commerce, and innovation. Thank you for watching.